What is going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you and try to create the most voluminous, fullest hairstyle that I possibly can get, and I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks that may help you with trying to get thicker hair and fuller hair when styling it. So first things first, now this is already blow dried. If you're blow drying your hair and you have fuller hair like this, you want to make sure you're using something that's going to help add volume to your hair, an actual pre-styler. So 25 spray is a great pre-styler I have. Also pre-style is an actual pre-styling mousse, which gives the hair tremendous volume. But really basically what you're doing is you're setting your hairstyle up for whatever type of look it is. So since we're going for a thicker, fuller look, you want to try to get as much volume as you can right from the start. So that's a really good tip. So basically you need like a hair cutting comb like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to tease or backcomb the hair. And what we can do is we can do this kind of, section by section and just try to create an understanding of what it actually is and, the process. So a lot of times when someone's hair just falls flat, it's because there's nothing there that's going to help support it, all right? So it's how you're supporting the style is really going to help you, and it's also going to help keep the fullness in the hair for a much longer period of time. So you can take a section of hair, and what you're going to do is you're going to use the fine teeth of the comb right here, the finer teeth. This is the thicker teeth right here, the wider teeth, and here's the finer part. And what you're going to do is you're going to comb it straight up on dry hair. You're going to push the comb in like this, and you're going to push down. And what that's doing, as you can see here, it's creating a base. So we want to push, lock in and push down, lock in and push down. And there you go. So what we've done, as you can see, that piece of hair is sticking, that section of hair is sticking straight up. And this is how you create a fuller hairstyle, all right? And not only is this how you get thickness to it, but also it helps support the style throughout the entire day. So let's continue doing this throughout the sides here. And you don't want to do the entire strand. You just want to really mostly do the base of the hair because that is what's going to help lock in the foundation. You don't really want to have the ends here looking all kind of stringy and teased and straggly looking. You just want to create some volume just on the root area, which is what makes it look thicker. All right, so we're done with that side. So as you can see, it looks crazy. Don't worry about it, it's fine. Let's repeat this on the other side and then we'll work into the top. So the sides and the corners are done. And now what we're going to do is we're going to work in through the back. And we're going to do the same thing, going from the back into the very front. So we're going to take the hair like this, and again, we're going to push down like that, right at the root area, until we feel it's nice and it's got a secure base. Again, it's all about that base right here. Once we have that in, then we're pretty much clear to move on. So we're taking sections that are probably about, I'd say 3/4 of an inch thick, and we're just going to do the same thing where we're going to work towards the front. And let's kind of speed through this, and when we get to the front, you'll be able to see the finished result and what I've done. So for the very last section, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're not teasing it in front of the hair, like down here. You want to make sure that you're teasing it behind the section. And that's going to help camouflage a lot of the teasing, all right, which is right down through here. And you don't want to go too crazy with this. You just want to get a little bit. And you also want to bring it out this way and bring it forward because the hair has to then go back like this, okay? But the very front piece, this is the money piece. This is the one that you gotta make sure has all that real solid foundation, all right? And that's solid teasing like this. Because what that's gonna do, again, it's gonna help support the style, all right? Next, what we want to do is hit it with some hairspray. You don't want to go too crazy on the hairspray yet, but just a little something to help lock it in. And then it's up to you on how you want to style it, okay? You can do it a couple different ways. You can take the comb and you can lightly brush on the top layer. And as you can see, what I did is just by doing that, we're keeping that volume in through here without combing out or disrupting the foundation. All right, so you're using kind of like the teeth, the tip of the comb, and you're just simply kind of working it back on the top layer. Because again, you don't want to disrupt all that foundation that you put in. So let's comb through this and piece through this, and let's see what kind of end result that we get. So I just want to make sure you guys see, this is not, fake, this is real, all right? This is all real styling, real hair, nothing fake about this, and it's all just done through teasing. Now this is great, if you guys are involved in any sort of like theatrical performances, if you're, any actors or people that are looking to do some, performance stuff and you need to kind of tweak your hair, this is great for show, all right? Because you may not be wearing your hair like this, on a regular basis. However, as you can see, you've got a lot of fullness going on through here. So this is something that if you really need it to kind of come together and to create some action and some fullness, this is definitely the way to go as far as styling it, all right? So there we go. Let's hit it again with some final hairspray over here. And this should really hold up, It should really, really hold up. That's the thing, is you want to spray the heck out of this to make sure that it's going to last. And then you can always finger piece everything to kind of piece it together and make sure that you have all the gaps filled in. And I know I'm probably gonna get some comments going, who's gonna wear their hair like this? No way. But you know what? It's more about the technique and learning how to do it. That's gonna really, I think, help save the day here. So if you wanna have some pieces coming down through here, you can do that as well. Make it look a little more natural. And there we go. Just mat that down. And that's it. So I'll show a couple of different angles in through here. As you can see, or this may be, the highest pompadour ever. What do you guys think? Is this the highest pompadour you've ever seen? All right, and there we go. Again, this is for extreme stuff, whether you're doing performances or some sort of cosplay or any sort of, whatever it is. But I just want to show you guys, this is really how full you can get your hair by doing these simple techniques. Thank you very much to our model today, who is never going to leave my studio because he feels his hair is way too big. Don't worry, I'll tame it down, you'll be fine. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know in the comments below if you found this helpful. And I'm sure I'm gonna get some crazy comments, who would ever wear their hair like this, blah, blah, blah. Well, dude, don't waste my time, all right? It's more about the technique. Try the technique, even if you don't want your hairstyle like this, that's gonna help you to get fuller hair, trust me, for your hairstyle. So thank you guys so much for watching. And also lastly, ladies, you can apply this too. I mostly do this on women's hair, teasing. So men and women, it's a universal thing, so embrace it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.